Right, morning people. We're here outside in the UK. Yeah, look, frost. It's cold, it's freezing. But yeah, so I've got the bike outside. I'm gonna do a quick check on the sound of this VanDemon. So we're gonna check to see what the noise limits are with it as it is, and then we'll add the baffles and do a similar sound test. Got my amazing sound recording here device. I'm gonna film it here. So let's see what happens. Yep. Right, so let's just see what the standard background noise is, and I'll shut up for a second. About 46, 47. Let's start the bike in crazy form like this and see what happens, see what the noise is. Right, let's just start it. Ice, 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 baby. Doesn't want to start, does it? Let's try again. Nope. One last time before we get the charger out on it. Let's give it some blips of the throttle. Right, next I'll have to put it in first and give it some extra revs. So let's get the baffles in and see what the difference is. Right, took all of literally 2 seconds to put the baffle in. So yeah, look, the baffle is in. Obviously it doesn't look as good, but let's see how functional it is. So it says about 45, I've reset the max. So let's just see what it sounds like on startup. Let's give it the old standard throttle blips. And I'll do the same test, put it in first and see what loud it is. Quieter than 118. I don't know, I might just leave that on for wintering. We'll see. But yeah, the sound check done.